Hey guys, welcome to my first video. Today I'm gonna show you how to record like me, like how to record, like how to get a screen recorder. They're both free, and I'll show you two. First one is Baddy Cam, and then Bandicam, whatever you call it, right here. Click Bandicam official site, click free download. Full version needs money because full version you can record as long as you can. Click free download. Download Bandicam and then it will download. And then you can start recording. And like home, yeah. I download this before. The max you can record without money is like about 10 minutes. I'll show you another one that you can record 15 minutes max. The next one is Screen-O-Matic. It's a screen recorder. I downloaded that one and I'm using it right now. And you can see like right here at the corner, it says recorded with Screen-O-Matic. Here, no, not here. Screen recorder and the Screen-O-Matic. This is the one you want to go. And then next you go to launch free recorder, and you'll click download one first, and then it will launch free recorder after you're done. But we already open because I'm using it. And how you use this like Screen-O-Matic is you can record 15 minutes max right here. And I think that's pretty much it. That's a short video. I know, guys. Be sure to subscribe. Oh, and I also have a sister. Her channel name is Violet Plays, I think. And her picture looks like... Okay, I need to go to her Play Store, see. And I think this is my sister's profile. This is what she looks like, okay? This is actually what she looks like. Her channel, okay? She helped me logged in to here. Oh my god. And yeah. This is her. Okay, I'm just getting out of here. This is my channel, just subscribe to me. And then, wait. Oh yeah, I totally forgot that. Okay, sorry guys, this is my second video, not my first video. Oh god. Okay. Okay, just forgive me. Okay, guys, just leave this alone. Just pretend it never happened, and please subscribe and like the video. Bye. I want you to subscribe, please. And I will put the Screen-O-Matic and Bandicam link at the description below, and then please subscribe. Bye guys. See you in the next video.